Starting a manufacturing business may be one of the most important career moves you can make. Your own business will mean that you can determine your own working hours, have the satisfaction of being your own boss, and most importantly, be proud of being the founder of an organization as it grows in size and reputation. Which manufacturing business idea you choose is the most important step for starting your manufacturing business. Today, we are sharing 20 manufacturing business ideas to start your own business. Number 1. Healthy energy drink manufacturing business. Number 2. Water filters manufacturing business. Number 3. Biofuel production. As biofuel is known as an alternative to diesel fuel, there are other uses. Many assume that the material is used just for transportation. However, biofuel can provide hydrogen, clean up oil, work as cooking oil, and more. Number 4. Organic detergent manufacturing business. Number 5. Crates and carton manufacturing business. Number 6. Bread production business. Number 7. LED light manufacturing business. The LED lamp market is projected to grow at 25% annually to reach $25 billion in 2023. Hence, LED light manufacturing is a profitable investment opportunity for entrepreneurs. Number 8. Garment manufacturing unit business. Garment business is among the oldest and most profitable businesses in the world. Next to food, garments are an essential part of living where people spend a significant amount of money. Number 9. Ceramic glazed tiles production business. Number 10. Manufacturing of carpets. Number 11. Coconut oil manufacturing business. Coconut oil is made by pressing fresh coconut meat or dried coconut meat called copra. Virgin coconut oil uses fresh meat, while refined coconut oil typically uses copra. Number 12. Manufacturing of fertilizers. Primary fertilizers include substances derived from nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Various raw materials are used to produce these compounds. Fertilizers provide elements needed by plants to grow well, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Number 3. Fitness equipment manufacturing. The American fitness market, a smaller subset of the sporting goods industry, has sales of $11 billion. The last 10 years has seen significant spikes in membership and usage of this equipment. Number 14. AI toys manufacturing business. Number 15. Hair and beauty cosmetic products manufacturing. The U.S. cosmetic market is estimated to have generated a revenue close to $103 billion in 2019. Number 16. Leather product manufacturing business. The leather industry has been around from many years as leather is one of the most appealing clothing and furnishing material around. A business has continued to climb high despite its challenges. Number 17. Phenol floor cleaner making. Number 18. Automobile parts manufacturing. The automotive industry is a term that covers a wide range of companies and organizations involved in the design, development, manufacture, marketing, and selling of motor vehicles, towed vehicles, motorcycles, and mopeds. Number 19. Condensed milk production. And number 20. Aluminum door and window manufacturing. If you found this video helpful, then do like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos.